The Sunda Kalugo, also known as the Malayan Kalugo or the Malayan flying lemur, is a fascinating and unusual mammal native to the dense rainforests of Southeast Asia, including Malaysia, Thailand, Singapore, and Indonesia. Despite its name, the Sunda Kalugo is not actually a lemur or a true flyer. Instead, it glides from tree to tree with the help of a unique membrane of skin that stretches from its neck to the tips of its fingers, toes, and tail. This adaptation makes the Kalugo one of the most skilled gliders in the animal kingdom, capable of covering distances of over 100 meters in a single glide without losing much altitude. The Kalugo belongs to the family Cynocephalidae, and is one of only 2 species in the order Dimoptera, a small and ancient group of gliding mammals that dates back tens of millions of years. The Kalugo's gliding ability is made possible by its patagium, a membrane of skin that acts like a natural wing. Unlike other gliding animals, the patagium of the Kalugo is extremely extensive, stretching from its jaw all the way to the end of its tail and encompassing its entire body, including each finger and toe. This unique adaptation allows the Kalugo to glide with exceptional control and maneuverability, which helps it evade predators and travel between trees without expending much energy. The patagium is also covered in a dense layer of fur that helps the Kalugo blend into the trees and provides insulation, keeping it warm during cool nights in the rainforest. The Sunda Kalugo has a nocturnal lifestyle, spending its nights gliding between trees in search of food. It primarily feeds on leaves, flowers, shoots, and fruits, making it an herbivore with a specialized diet. The Kalugo's digestive system is adapted to process tough plant material, with an enlarged cecum that helps it break down cellulose through bacterial fermentation. This specialized digestion is similar to that of other leaf-eating mammals, like koalas and sloths, which also rely on bacterial fermentation to extract nutrients from fibrous plant material. The Kalugo's diet is relatively low in calories, which is one reason for its slow, deliberate movements and low-energy lifestyle. By gliding from tree to tree rather than climbing, the Kalugo conserves energy and minimizes the risk of encountering ground-dwelling predators. The Kalugo has large, forward-facing eyes that give it excellent night vision, allowing it to see well in low-light conditions. Its eyes are highly adapted for its nocturnal lifestyle, as they gather as much light as possible, helping the Kalugo navigate through the forest canopy at night. The Kalugo also has a keen sense of smell, which it uses to locate food and detect potential threats. Its nose is small and rounded, giving it a somewhat cute appearance, though it is actually a highly specialized tool for survival in its rainforest habitat. The Kalugo's eyes and nose, along with its other adaptations, make it exceptionally well suited to life in the trees. One of the most interesting aspects of the Sunda Kalugo's life is its reproductive behavior and parental care. Female Kalugos give birth to a single offspring after a gestation period of about 60 days. The young Kalugo, known as a pup, is born in an underdeveloped state, similar to a marsupial. After birth, the mother Kalugo cares for her pup by carrying it on her belly, cradling it within the folds of her patagium. This unique pouch created by her gliding membrane provides the young Kalugo with warmth and protection as it develops. The mother will continue to carry her pup for several months, gliding from tree to tree with her young clinging to her body until it is mature enough to glide on its own. This extended period of maternal care is essential for the young Kalugo's survival, as it learns how to forage, navigate, and glide by observing its mother. The Kalugo's gliding behavior has made it the subject of scientific research, particularly in the field of biomechanics. Scientists are interested in studying how Kalugos achieve such efficient gliding with minimal wing structure, as this could have implications for understanding the evolution of flight in mammals. The Kalugo's patagium is also being studied for its unique properties, as it is both lightweight and flexible while still providing enough surface area to support long glides. Research into Colugo locomotion may even inspire advancements in engineering, such as the design of more efficient gliding suits for humans or improved aerial drones that mimic the Colugo's gliding patterns. The Sunda Colugo's evolutionary history is also a fascinating topic. As one of the oldest lineages of gliding mammals, the Colugo is thought to have evolved its unique adaptations millions of years ago, making it a living fossil that provides a glimpse into the past. Fossil evidence suggests that Colugos share a common ancestor with primates, though they branched off from the primate lineage long ago. This evolutionary relationship has made Colugos an important species for scientists studying the origins of primates and other mammals, as it provides insight into how certain adaptations, like binocular vision and grasping hands, may have evolved. Despite its impressive adaptations, the Sunda Colugo faces numerous threats in the wild, with habitat loss being one of the most significant. The rainforests that Colugos depend on are rapidly being cleared for agriculture, logging, and urban development, leading to fragmentation of their habitat and decreased food sources. Additionally, Colugos are sometimes hunted for their meat or captured for the pet trade, though they are difficult to keep in captivity due to their specialized diet and nocturnal lifestyle. Conservation efforts are essential to protect the Colugo's habitat and ensure the survival of this unique species, as its role in the rainforest ecosystem is critical for maintaining biodiversity. The Colugo plays an important role in its ecosystem as both a seed disperser and a source of food for certain predators. By feeding on leaves and fruits, the Colugo helps control plant growth and contributes to the natural cycling of nutrients within the forest. Additionally, Colugos are prey for animals like large birds of prey and snakes, making them a crucial part of the food web. The loss of Colugos would have a cascading effect on their ecosystem, impacting other species that rely on them for food or for the ecological services they provide. In terms of appearance, the Sunda Colugo has a unique coloration that helps it blend into the trees where it lives. Its fur is usually gray or brown with patches of lighter and darker shades that resemble lichen or moss, providing effective camouflage against the tree bark. This coloration helps protect the Colugo from predators by allowing it to go unnoticed as it rests on tree trunks during the day. The Colugo's claws are sharp and curved, providing a strong grip on tree bark and enabling it to climb with ease. Although the Colugo's body structure is not well suited for rapid movement, its adaptations for climbing and gliding make it highly efficient in its arboreal environment. The Sunda Colugo has a relatively small brain compared to other mammals, which is thought to be a result of its low-energy lifestyle. Unlike primates, which have evolved complex social behaviors and problem-solving abilities, the Colugo leads a solitary life, and does not engage in social interactions beyond maternal care. This lifestyle has allowed it to thrive with minimal cognitive demands, conserving energy by avoiding unnecessary physical or mental exertion. The Colugo's brain is perfectly adapted for its simple needs, focusing on navigation, foraging, and predator avoidance rather than complex social interactions. Interestingly, Colugos have a relatively long lifespan for their size, with some individuals living up to 15 years in the wild. This longevity is likely due to their low-stress lifestyle, as they avoid conflict and rely on camouflage and gliding to stay safe. Unlike many other small mammals, which have high reproductive rates to offset high predation risks, Colugos have fewer offspring but invest significant time and care in each one, ensuring that each young Colugo has the best chance of survival. In terms of conservation status, the Sunda Colugo is currently classified as least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, but this status does not mean the species is free from threats. Habitat destruction continues to pose a significant risk, and climate change may also impact the availability of the Colugo's food sources. Efforts to protect Southeast Asia's rainforests and prevent illegal logging are crucial for the long-term survival of Colugos and other forest-dependent species. The Sunda Kalugo, with its remarkable gliding abilities, nocturnal lifestyle, and specialized diet, represents a unique branch of the mammalian evolutionary tree. Its adaptations allow it to thrive in the rainforests of Southeast Asia, and its role in the ecosystem highlights the importance of preserving biodiversity. By protecting the Kalugo and its habitat, we can ensure that this extraordinary glider continues to soar through the treetops for generations to come, serving as a reminder of the incredible diversity and resilience of life in the world's rainforests.